Hi guys. Today, I also brought a little Photoshop tutorial. For that I will first open an image. Click on this card to learn how to open an image in Photoshop. You can also click on this card to open the image with the Photoshop Camera Raw option. See how a blue filter is applied on this opened image. I want to highlight the natural colors before this image. First I will remove this image lock. Then click on this icon in the layer palette. Then click on the curves option. Then you will see a properties menu like this. Then click on this auto option. This clicked but the color did not change as I wanted. But the brightness of the image increased a bit. Okay. Now let's see how to do color correction here. To do so, click on the auto option with the Alt key. Now you can come to the auto color correction menu. Here enhance brightness and contrast option is selected. But we have to select the option above to change the color. See how colors are restored very quickly. Before, after. Click in front of the Snap Natural Midtones option to enhance the naturalness of other colors. Then click OK. See how these colors have changed. You can also correct these colors separately. Okay. It's time for me to leave and have a nice day.